Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zaim Khan and I'm going to discuss about the uses of organic solvents. Organic solvents are classified into chemical groups based on the configuration of the hydrogen and carbon atoms and the presence of different functional groups. Chemical groups that are commonly used as straight or branch chain of carbon and hydrogen. Carbon or hydrogen examples are hexane and heptane. Cyclic hydrocarbons are cyclohexane. Esters are ethyl acetate, isopropyl acetate. इसी तरह दूसरे भी. Now the uses of different organic solvents. Organic solvent number one, hydrocarbons. इसी में benzene आता है. The uses of benzene as a solvent. Benzene was previously used widely as a solvent in labs, but this use has decreased in many countries due to the concern over carcinogenic effects. Benzene is a naturally occurring component of petroleum and is in presence in gasoline. Benzene is used mainly as an intermediate to make other chemicals. Above all, ethyl benzene, chimene, cyclohexene, nitrobenzene, and alkyl benzene. More than half of the entire benzene production is processed into ethyl benzene. Now we will discuss about the use of toluene. Toluene uses in the manufacture of explosives, in the manufacture of cosmetics, in the manufacture of dyes and inks, as a fuel additive where it is used to increase the octane rating, and also in the manufacture of jet fuel blends. Now number 2, alcohol. The uses of methanol as a solvent. The largest use of methanol by far in making other chemicals. About 40% of methanol is converted to formaldehyde and from there into products as diverse as plastics, polywood, paints, explosives, and permanent press textiles. Now, methanol is also used as a solvent and as an antifreeze in pipeline and windshield washer fluid. In some wastewater treatment plants, a small amount of methanol is added to wastewater to provide carbon and food source for the denitrifying bacteria which convert nitrates to nitrogen to reduce the nitrification of sensitive aquifers. मैथनल यूज़ होता है एंटी फ्रीज में भी, पाइपलाइन में भी, विंडशील्ड वाशर फ्लूइड वगैरह में. नाउ द यूजेज ऑफ इथेनॉल एज अ सॉल्वेंट. इसी अल्कोहल का इथेनॉल है. एथेनॉल यूज एज अ preservative for biological specimens in the preparation of essence and flavoring in many medicines and drugs, as a disinfectant, as a fuel and gasoline additive. Now we are discuss about chlorinated solvents. The use of chloroform as a solvent. Chloroform is primarily used in the production of refrigerants, जिसमें क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन्स आते हैं. एंड नंबर 2, chloroform is used as an extraction solvent for fats, oil, greases, rubber, waxes, gutta percha, resins, and others. It is utilized as an industrial solvent in the extraction and purification of some antibiotics. Number 3, it is used as a solvent in organic chemistry, in photography, and in making dyes, drugs, and pesticides, etc. इसी में use of carbon tetrachloride as solvent, washing nuclear magnetic resonance NMR tubes, organic synthesis of DV acid chloride, solvent of polymers, etc. Now, number 4, ketones. The uses of acetone as a solvent. इसी में acetone ketones में ही. Acetone is a good solvent for most plastics and synthetic fibers, includes those used in Nalgene bottles made for polystyrene, etc. It is ideal for thinning fiberglass resins. It is used as a volatile component of some plants and varnishes as a heavy duty degreasers. It is useful in the preparation of metal prior to painting. Now we are discuss about the miscellaneous solvents. Uses of acetic acid as a solvent. Glacial acetic acid is an excellent polar protic solvent. Again सुन लें. Glacial acetic acid is an excellent polar protic solvent. It is frequently used as a solvent for recrystallization to purify organic components compounds. Now, acetic acid is used as a solvent in the production of uh, टेरिफेलिक एसिड TPA जिसे बोलते हैं, द रॉ मटेरियल फॉर polyethylene teraphenaldehyde PET. About 20% of acetic acid was used to TPA.